Yes, good morning, team. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today we shall be looking into Microsoft Excel. And Excel is a computer application which is used to do data analysis and data visualization. It is used majorly by the accounting department to make budgets, and also the budget holders or the program managers to track budgets and expenditures. It has many basic components. So to access it, I go to the search bar and you Excel. Let's open it. So you need to open a new Excel, and a new Excel is called a workbook. A workbook is actually where you are going to do the data entry and do the analysis. So to open, we double click, and this is our workbook. A workbook is also as sheet. You see here the label is sheet 1. If you want to add, you click on plus and you add. This is sheet 2. If you want to add another sheet, you add another one. You just click a plus sign, as many as possible. A sheet is as other component like the cell. The cell is actually where you enter your data, and where my cursor is the cell. Where the cursor is the active cell. You just keep on clicking. The active cell is where you want to do your work, maybe data entry or data analysis. The sheet is also divided into rows and columns. The rows is labeled into alphabetical orders, A, B, C, up to actually very many. Then the columns are labeled in numbers 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, up to the last. Actually, there are very many. So, as I told you, you can use the Excel to do basic calculation as well. So, Excel is also just like Word, as the under the tool, the toolbox, it has the home page, whereby it has the basic components just like the Word. Then it also has the insert. Insert is when you want to put something like table, maybe not table, you want to put charts, you want to do some basic data analysis. So as I told you, we can use the pivot table to do basic calculation and data analysis, as well as visualization. Let's take for example, maybe the data for the report card, for how to make a basic report card. So assuming we have the student mark for John, actually this is student's name, student name, let me say Simon, Richard, Paul, these are the subjects: SST, science, mathematics, and English. Let me say Opelo got 20% in SST, 30% in science, 15% in mathematics, then 34% in English. Richard got 70 in SST, 40 in science, and in mathematics, then 55 in English. Paul got 21 in SST, 20 in science, 31 in mathematics, then 80 in English. Peter got 23 in SST, 34 in science, 40 in mathematics, then 21 in English. So these are the students' marks, and for a report card, we can get the total marks. So in order to get the total is all about the sum, the total marks. So we can get the total marks for sum. So to get the total, we click a plus to insert the formula. Then as I told you, this will be an addition, so will be the sum. So in Excel is recorded as the sum. So you say sum and you click on sum. So in sum they'll take you to what do you want to add. So we are adding the total for Simon, that is SST, science, maths and English, all their scores. So after selecting, then you click enter. So this is the mark, the total marks for Simon. So now we cannot do now manually for all. So we now automate. You put the cursor where I've put, then you drag down. So as simple as that. This is the total marks for the student. We can also get the average mark per student. Then average mark, you put the equal sign, then that's for average. Average mark is done the same way. You select. So this is the average mark for Simon. In the same way, we get the average for other students. So this is how we can get the total and the average. Now, when you are making the report card, you need to put into consideration the ranking, or the ranking from number 1 up to the last. So in order to do the ranking, what we are going to do is we are going to do the sorting, and the sorting we are going to do based on the total from number 1, the highest, to the lowest. So to do the ranking, select all, then we come to sort. Under sort, you go to customize sort. Now under sorting, how do you want to sort? For us, we want to sort based on the average, the cell values average. We want to sort from largest to smallest. So we are done with our sorting. So as you are seeing, they have now been sorted, and the best person is Richard, which has 43.75 average, followed by Paul 38, then Peter 29.5, then Simon performed the list with 27.5. So this is basically how you can utilize Excel to make a simple report card, and this will be continuing in the next video on how we can make table now we can make a chart, maybe graph using Excel. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.